Hey everyone, we're back in the car. We're still in glorious, beautiful Ridgefield. Today, I figured I would de-stress my face that currently hates me by getting a facial. What a better. I'm going to the great jack-o'-lantern place tonight. It's the last night, so I figured I should probably make my face not hate me. Find this great spa. Oh, my car wants you to know it's 39 degrees outside. Awesome, gorgeous, love it. I'm super stoked. My face feels very dry. It's like red, and I'm always red, but it's gotten to the point where like my makeup gets sucks up to my face, which is really attractive. I never break out, so it's been very weird to me, and I can tell it's because my face is stressed out. I know I need to drink more water, so I'll probably be told that today, but your girl needs to get her face fixed. So let's check it out, get it done, get this mug a little bit less red and scary. Yeah, my face is like so dry, it really hurts. I'm trying out this spa I've never tried out before. That's on Main Street in my town, and we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck that I don't hate myself after this. Should be a good time. Welcome to beautiful Ridgefield, a nice colonial town. It's the Ridgefield Library. Just gotta wait till the turns green. We made it. Oh my God, guys. I am so relaxed right now. I'm just gonna show you my face. So shiny right now because they fixed my face. Oh my God. Serene Spa, wow, 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 wow. Look, I grew up in Ridgefield. Things can be very overpriced and you have to be very careful where you're going. There's a couple places that people just go to, and I wanted to try somewhere new, not breaking the bank. And they, not only were they nice, they were educational. The biggest thing for me is I did not feel pressured to buy anything, but I'm definitely gonna come back in January for another facial. Lupe, who did my amazing facial, like was very educational. She was like, this is why this is happening. Like my skin was so overstressed and dry and like very dry, and we did like a bunch of extractions. We scraped off the dead skin. Like she hydrated me hardcore. What I love the most about it is that I've never had a facial that incorporated aromatherapy before and breathing techniques. So they had aromatherapy, so we would breathe in, and that's how we started. And then throughout the facial, she encouraged me to breathe. And then at the end of it, we did this whole, like, I sat up and this whole breathing and stretching thing, which was great because I feel like a lot of the time when you get facials done or even massages done, like you forget to breathe. And it was so wonderful with the aromatherapy, and you get to choose which kind of sense you wanted to go for. I just felt like I was part of my experience versus just paying for an experience and just dealing with whatever they threw at me. And then not only that, they gave me a little gift. How cute is that? Oh yeah, and they ended it with like, they gave me a little Lindt chocolate. I was like, yes, chocolate. And they also gave me this awesome like drink towards the end to hydrate. Cool, so it has their menu. I'm gonna put all their information down below. Has their menu, which is great. It's in Ridgefield. I'm not gonna put the address because I believe they're moving. Guys, my facial was only $100 for an hour. And we did the aromatherapy thing, and she was talking to me all the time, and she was sweet enough to let me film, that poor girl. How cool is that? They gave me stuff to do at home. Oh, and the coolest thing about it was she was like, next time you come in, bring the stuff that you use for like your face and stuff, and we'll go through it and we'll see what works best. And which is really cool. Like I said, most times when I go to get a service done, I feel very pressured to like use this specific thing that they have there, and that this, like, the upsell is always there, and it's business, like you should feel that way. I didn't feel pressured at all, and it made me want to use them more because I felt like they really cared in like a medicinal way about how my skin was gonna feel. My skin feels so much better. My skin, though, has been so dry, it was just sitting on the surface versus like being absorbed. And she told me that when I use toner now, my level will be balanced, that it'll absorb anything I put on my face. So yeah, they gave me a sample of Glow Skin Beauty, which is one of the brands that they feature in their spa, which is, this is the Solar Shade SPF 50 broad spectrum sunscreen. But they gave me this foot soak in Rose, that's their own brand, and it was great. Woman-owned business. That was cool. Yeah, it was such a lovely experience. It felt like a spa in the sense that I felt like a 360 relaxation experience. Like, I didn't just feel like when I spend a lot of money at like a high-end salon that like I'm in and out, or I'm just there, it's like boom boom done and I had to leave. They were so nice to me. Yeah, oh god guys, my skin loves me right now. It's like, thank you so much. I could barely move my face before. Now I just feel so nice. My makeup is running. I'm getting ready to go to the Blaze. My hair is so naughty right now because I had it in a horrible bun all day. So I'm gonna use that awesome native fig pure mix stuff from Rusk that I got at the American Influencer Awards, and just spray that all over, detangle this mess. I'm getting ready to go to the great jack-o'-lantern Blaze. I'm gonna use right now for my hair. My hair's been really frizzy lately. I think I put too much conditioner in it, but that's okay. We detangled the like awesome Rusk stuff that I got. I'm gonna show it to you again. This amazing Rusk Pure Mix Native Fig Replenishing 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner, pretty much. I think it says call it leave-in, but I'm assuming it's leave-in conditioner. OGX. Right now my hair, I love, don't look at my nails, they're really terrifying right now. You ever just have one of those days where it's just like, you need to go do something, and then it's just, the weather is just saying, stay inside, don't do anything. That's how I feel right now. Okay guys, we've made it successfully to Croton on the Hudson. We're here, I brought my parents. It's pretty cold, so we're gonna make it happen. Welcome to the jack-o'-lantern Blaze. For free. I do, but no, I'm trying to get the tickets. Oh, it's right here. Right here.
You are all set.
Oh, sweet, thank you. Ready, family? I know, but not yet. We gotta get into it. so sad that you can't see me right now, but I swear it looks really cute. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at the headless horseman in the... Yeah. Oh look, this is a copy of Norman Rockwell. Oh my God, gotta go. Come on. like one of the last people here, and it is so freaking cool here. I feel like I'm walking through a giant Never Christmas display. It's so cool. Ah, it's so pretty. Neat, right? you. Okay, so we did the big jack-o'-lantern blaze, right?
Yep.
And it was really cool.
Yep.
And we should have come early.
Frozen.
But like in pure Gelber fashion, we came late. And now we're frozen. It was really cool though.
Very frozen.
Definitely have to come back next year. And thank you to everyone at the Great Jack-o'-lantern Blaze. Thank you everyone at the Great Jack-o'-lantern Blaze for letting us come and experience Halloween one last time. It was really cool. And yeah, now we're gonna get some cider and donuts, but not here because sadly they closed. But yeah. Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I am so beat. You can see my eyes are so red. We got to the Great Jack-o'-lantern Blaze at like 8:30. They were closing at 9 o'clock. In true Gelber fashion, we showed up super late. But it was so much fun. It was such a great way to end like November and still feel festive and do Halloween-y things, which I love. Now I just want to watch them for Christmas. But thanks for joining me on today. And if you like more videos like this and you want to see more, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me. On Instagram, I am Jordy_starbaby. And click the little bell icon to get notifications for when I post my next video. Bye guys, good night.